Everybody, in this video, I want to show you an example of a problem that you might see in the Inventor Certified User exam. So they might ask you to they might ask you to figure out the length of a loop where a specified plane kind of intersects a part. So what I have here is I have kind of, I don't know, maybe a cereal bowl. And then let's say that they ask you to, find the length of a loop of a plane that intersects at some point through your cereal bowl. So if I go to my origin, I turn on, let's say, the visibility of this YZ plane. So let's just kind of use this one as an example. So if I want to find out the length of a loop where this plane intersects through this bowl, what I would do is I would go up to start a new sketch, start a 2D sketch. I'm going to click this plane here. And then what I would do here is I would go down to this where you see the, the slice graphics. I would click on the slice graphics. And that's going to cut away the part of your model that's in front of that plane there. So what we want to do is we want to find the length of a loop around this kind of cut through section of this bowl. So to do that, I would go up to where you're probably going to see project geometry up here. I would go to project geometry, click that down arrow, and then click on where you see project cut edges. And you can kind of read what it does. So that's going to kind of project the cut through portion where it meets that work plane, or not the work plane, but the original origin plane that we have. So I'm just going to click on project cut edges, and you can kind of see it kind of created like this outline here around where this is cut through. So then to find the length of that, what I would do is I would go up to Tools, click on Measure. And if I hover my mouse or my pointer over a line here, let's say, and wait till I get this kind of pull down menu here, and then I click on the arrow, now I can go to where you see, just scroll down to where you see curve loop, and you can kind of see how that lights up around the loop that we want. So if I click on curve loop, now you see the length of that loop is 26.113 inches. So that's kind of how you do that one. Also, let's say that, let me close this. Let me finish my sketch. All right, so now let's say the question asks you to create an offset plane and then figure out what the loop of that offset plane item is where it kind of cuts through your part or your object. So what I would do here is let's say I want to create an offset plane from this YZ plane that we have. So I go up to plane, offset from plane. I want to offset this plane here. Let's bring it out. I don't know, maybe one inch. And then I would go to start a 2D sketch. I click this new plane that we did. And I'm going to hit the slice graphics. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my project cut edges again. And it creates this kind of our loop here. So then we go to Tools, Measure. I'm going to hover my mouse over one of these lines. Or not my mouse, I'm going to hover the cursor pointer thingy. I'm going to click where you hit the down arrow because I don't want that curve. I want this loop here. So then that loop is 25.401. All right, so I hope that helps you out. And if you're taking the certified user exam, good luck to you. I know you're going to do good. Just don't stress out too much about it. You got this. All right, peace.